Landing your first client on Instagram. I know a lot of you guys are trying to build up Instagram agencies. Maybe you're already SMMA owners, or you want to apply this to your current social media marketing agency. You can apply this to Instagram or any other type of managing of a client. My name is Anthony. I run an Instagram marketing agency and also run a 1 million follower network on Instagram. And I make videos like this to help you take your Instagram account from 0 to hero. So make sure you subscribe because this is the Instagram Hub. On this video, I'm gonna walk you through the 3 things that you need to do if you want to land a client as easy as possible without doing anything unethical or doing hacks or anything like that. So when it comes to landing a client on Instagram, obviously the first thing that we need is a service to provide. Now there's a multitude of services that you can go ahead and provide on Instagram, right? You can provide DM group creation, you could provide content creation, you could provide management, you could provide growth services, you could sell power likes. There are so many different things that you can do for Instagram, for managing people's accounts. On this video, we're going to primarily focus on basically growth services, growing somebody's account for them, not so much content creation, although the principles applied for growth services can also be applied for content creation, power likes, anything like that. So if you have a service that you want to sell, this is probably a service that you want to sell because you've been doing it on yourself. So you've tested basically your service on yourself. What you are doing on your own current page that is working, that's basically you testing the service on yourself, so you know that it works. The next thing that you need to do, where a lot of people go wrong, is they try to go out and they say, hey, I'm growing my page, it's working great, now I'm gonna go out and I'm just gonna start charging for this. I wanna tell you guys why you actually shouldn't start charging at first. If the only account you've ever grown is basically your own account, even if it's a few pages, right? Maybe you've grown 2 or 3 pages, but you haven't done it on anybody else, it's gonna be so hard to close that client, okay? One of the best things that you can do is not go out and start trying to charge people for your service. The absolute best thing that you can do is go out and provide your service for free, even if it costs you money. Even if it costs you money, it is so much better to go out and provide that service for free because it's gonna be so much easier to gain that client on the long run, okay? When you just show your own account, yeah, that's a result. It's kind of a testimonial, but it's your own. But imagine if you went ahead, you did free work for just one person, and in exchange for you doing free work for that person, they're gonna give you a testimonial if they liked the work. Now, when you go and you approach a different client, a different prospect, it is much easier to close them because you have a guy in your corner that you've done work for saying, hey, this guy is good, here's the work he's done, I recommend him. Not only that, but since you're doing it on someone else, you're also getting that practice for the first time. The pressure's kind of off. If you've never done a service before or anything like that, the first time you do it, it can be a little nerve-wracking. I know it was for me when I first landed my very first Instagram client. I almost didn't know what to do. Everything that I learned about Instagram, everything that I knew how to do that I did on my account, I was so scared to implement it on this person's account because it's like a client and they're paying me and I didn't want to mess anything up. So when you're doing it with someone who's accepting the service for free, there's very little risk to them. There's not money that they can lose. Of course, you're not running any fake followers to them, I would hope not. So the only thing that could happen to them is they gain real, genuine followers through your service. But the main thing about this, besides practicing on someone else and everything like that, is that this person is going to give you a testimonial that you can then use to go ahead and close other clients. And I can't tell you how much easier it's going to be when you have a testimonial from someone you've done work for and you could show that to a client and people are going to sign with you so much more easily. Now, on top of that, not only are you doing the work for free one time, but you can also go ahead and turn them into a recurring client. This could actually be a strategy for you where you go out to people that you know have the budgets. You can do the work for free one time very simply, and then you turn them into a recurring client. So that first person that you went ahead and you did some free work for to go ahead and get that testimonial, they probably will turn into a paying client month after month. If you did a good job, why wouldn't they keep on paying you? So after you've tested the service on yourself, you've grown your page, you got a testimonial, and you've done this on somebody else, and they are happy with the result, you're confident with your skills, now you can go ahead and you can start landing actual clients. And what you want to do is you want to sell with the result. Let your results and let your testimonials sell themselves. It will simply sell itself. That is the easiest way you can sell a service. The easiest way to sell a service is not to go ahead and start listing why Instagram is the best platform, why they need to jump on it, why they need to invest into their personal brand. brand or to their Instagram page, the best thing you can do is just go ahead and let your results sell themselves. If somebody's already taking the time to get on an Instagram call with you, they are already sold on Instagram. They are already sold that they need the growth. Now they just need somebody that they are confident in passing on this work to. And one way that you can make them feel extremely confident is to have that testimonial. Let that testimonial sell them, and you will land that client. Now what you want to do here is you want to continue getting as many testimonials from your clients as possible. And as you build and build and build, you're going to have so many testimonials that people just can't deny that your stuff works, and they will simply go ahead and work with you almost every time. It'll also help you to get up your closing ratios. Maybe at first only 1 out of every 10 people you talk to actually turn into a client, but imagine if you had 50 testimonials. Now you're probably gonna be closing 3, 4, maybe even 5 out of every 10, because what you've done is you've taken out all doubt. They have absolutely no doubt in their mind that they can go ahead and be successful with your service. The only reason why they won't go ahead and do it at that point is if they don't have the money, they can't afford you, or maybe they just don't like you. And for that last one, there's nothing you can do there, so don't even worry about it. So those are the 3 things you need to do to land your first Instagram client. Make sure you go ahead and test the service on yourself, make sure it's working, make sure you do it, make sure you go ahead and test it on somebody else, get that testimonial, and then sell with the testimonial. If you guys like this video, you want more videos like this where we can go more in depth on actually getting clients for Instagram, let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to make some more videos on it. With all that said, if you guys are looking for a more advanced Instagram training, want to see something that's going to really show you the entire way that Instagram drives, how people work on the platform, how to gain followers, how to monetize your account, is something that I can't fit on one single YouTube video, then go ahead into the description. I will leave a link to our advanced free training. You can book your spot to register for it. With all that said, if you like this video, make sure you drop it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we put out Instagram growth videos weekly showing how to grow and monetize. Keep grinding, keep hustling. I'll see you all on the next one.